Hello, I'm Mateo. Pandemic. The coronavirus is spreading around the world. Mask is the only option you can protect yourself. However, there are not enough masks you can get. So, why don't you make them by ourselves? First of all, we need to get some materials. They are like scissors, pencil, ruler, medical paper tape, twist tie, dish towel, dry sweeping cloth, elastic band. You can easily get them in any supermarkets. Now, I'll show you how you can make a mask with them. Grab a piece of dish towel, unfold it, mark with a pencil on it 1 centimeter below from the top in the middle. Put a twist tie on the marked spot and attach your paper tape over the twist tie. Then, put the dry sweeping cloth, which will be a filter, about 2 centimeters below from the twist tie. And fold the cloth up to the point where the twist tie is, and fold the above so that the twist tie is covered. Then, put paper tape on the folded part. Now, fold it in 3 sections. Fold it from the bottom to the middle and top to the bottom. After this, the last folded section gotta be folded in half. And then, you've got to pull out the inside of the folded part and fold it in half too. We are almost finished. Last step, apply the elastic band you already cut in 20 centimeters to the left and right side to the mask and attach the paper tape. Look at this. It's done. It's easy, isn't it? This is the mask I made. Ta-da! Look at this. A perfect mask, isn't it? Now, don't be panicked, although you cannot get any masks. Just go to any supermarkets and get the right materials and make your own mask by yourselves with my video. So if you like my video, please give like to this video and subscribe my channel. I bring more good information with me later. Alright, see you again. Bye.